Okay guys, so we have these Bluetooth fidget spinners, which there's a speaker right there, and once you turn this switch, it does the LED and it makes that sound. And then once you do that, you go to your phone, you go to settings, you go to Bluetooth, you turn Bluetooth on, and then once you turn Bluetooth on, it should be the E104. Click that, and then this will make another sound. And once it makes that sound, then it's connected. And then you just go to whatever you want and put on your favorite song or a song. And it jiggles a lot, but like that doesn't keep it from being cool. But we're selling them at Tech for Sale, 5236 Marshall Sharp Freeway. And well, we don't really know the price yet, but we will figure it out once if you want to buy one, and we'll tell you. But just enjoy the song.